We're going to show you how to replace your standard latches with our custom latches. So it doesn't matter if you've got a 3, a 4, a 5 or a 7 prong, they're all the same way how to do it. So you're only going to need really 2 tools, some pliers and a flathead screwdriver. We have also created this little tool to release them, which makes it a little bit easier, but you can also just use a flathead or a chisel, something like that. So what you want to do is pop this open, and under here, if you get closer, you can actually see there's this little lip that we need to pull this down and out. We stick this tool in, and then you want to pull this down, and that's going to bring this out. Now, once you've got this tool out, you want to get this metal pin that's holding this red bit in. You want to get flathead screwdriver and you just want to push it out. So you can push that out. That's your pin, and that's going to come off. Now, to get this metal ring off, you want to pull it to one side and give it a bit of a flex. Let's grab a green one, and now we're going to reverse the way of reinstalling it. You can grab that, push your pin back in, and put on your D-ring. This may require a little bit more strength, like so. And then all we're doing is pushing it back over that lip. So push that in, and that's done. Just like that. All the different prongs are the same situation of how you want to do it.